Let's begin with crypto bubbles. Let's look at what has happened this week. You can see on this chart, this is a crypto bubbles chart. On the weekly time frame, the bubbles in green are the ones that have outperformed Bitcoin, and the ones in red are the coins that Bitcoin has outperformed this week so far. You can see clearly that HEX, Popcat, FTT, OMO, FTN, BGB, and the rest in green have done so well against Bitcoin, which is good. And I've talked about Popcat on this platform. If we go further, you're going to see that there are more altcoins that have done so well. Giga has done 72% this week, Nero 16%, SPX, and the rest have done so well against Bitcoin. Now, guys, the reason why you always see me come here to try to show you guys an overview of what is going on, what has happened in the market, for the week, for the month, for the day, and if possibly for the hour, is because I want you guys to understand the bigger picture here, what's going on with other altcoins. If say you are buying a coin and that coin is not doing well against Bitcoin, then you are losing a lot of money in the space. You need to be in coins that are doing well against Bitcoin. That means they are outperforming Bitcoin. If your coin is not outperforming Bitcoin, then you are in the wrong space. You are just wasting your time. Just like you you are in the USA or you are in Europe, you save your money in a shit currency. Like you save your money in Zimbabwe currency rather than being in the strong currency. So you have to be in strong currencies always. This is just the idea, of cryptocurrency to outperform the main currencies out there. So if say dollar is outperforming you, Bitcoin is outperforming you, and other currencies are doing well against you, then why are you holding that coin? Let's see the top 500 coins. Let's see what's going on here. Degen has done so well. I'm one of I was holding Degen before. I sold it because I was looking at some zones that I wanted price to get there, and price have gotten to those areas. So I'm gonna be looking at Degen for this week. Die is there and the rest. So let's just see the next, which is next for the top 500. Pops is there, Hoppy is there, Toshi. Yeah, Toshi also is another one that I have talked about here on this platform, and I think you guys also are aware of the fact that Toshi is one of the top meme coins on the base network. So if say you are investing on the base network, then you should take Toshi seriously. And yeah, guys, so these are the top 500 coins that are in the market. Oh, look at this Maga. Maga is doing so well. I think Maga should be the Trump coin that I think. I don't know if this is the exact Trump coin, but let me see if this is a Trump coin that let me see if this is a Trump coin that I'm holding. Let me see if this is the one I'm holding. Let me see this on CoinGecko. But if this is the one I'm holding, then that's good. Oh no, this is not the MAGA I'm holding. But all of the Trump coins are gonna be doing well, regardless of which one you are holding. But you need to be among, like, I'm gonna be looking at this one as well. Okay, I think this one is on the. Let's see. Oh, this one is on the Ethereum chain. I don't want to trade on the Ethereum chain, so I'm gonna buy this MAGA. I trade only on the base network and the Solana network. So, this doesn't mean anything to me. Yeah. So overall, if we look at the crypto market, let's see what's going on there. Overall, the crypto market is now at 2.2 trillion. It's up for the week, this weekend, to 0.2%, 3%. Sui is among the trending coin. Popcat is there. The largest gainers lock in. Mini and Bitcoin is still sitting at the top, like big, of course, always at the top.